It's been cooking a while, we know it's well done. All right, guys, what colour were they when they went in?
Orange and
dark
red.
blue.
Okay. Diddle, 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 diddle. Magic, magic, magic. Transformation.
Oh my god, the lobsters are all red.
Oh yeah, the lobsters turn red when they go into boiling water.
If the tail hasn't curled up after you cook it, that means they're bad. But the tail is really curled up, so that is...
Good, good.
Ooh, they're hot. So we'll have to give it a minute to cool because they're very hot to handle. We'll grab a few mess tins and see how we get on. Okay, guys, these are really, really, really hot. We can start to take the legs off.
Oh no.
I'm having the hands. I'm having the hands.
I'm having
the
to eat this.
Ah, cool. Look, imagine what's inside those claws.
Oh, that's a big.
I'm having those close. I'm having those close.
High five.
Tom is.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
All that meat in there now. Hold on. They're really like giant shrimp, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the feeling one.
You know what? Pick them off the All right, and this is where all the good meat is in the tail. Like. Oh, look at that. Remember there was a small little stone somewhere?
It's underneath you, I think, Tom.
Take a bite. I have seen you eat literally anything, and everything you eat just happens to be good. Anything.